Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Mikate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to upload and share files and folders on Dropbox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your device, open up the Dropbox application. After you open it, make sure they are logged into your account. Now to upload and share any files or folder, you will get an upload option under the search bar. If you tap on that, here you can simply upload photos. So select the photos that you want to upload, and once you're done, tap on upload. Now another easiest way, if you just tap on this plus icon that you will see on this interface, and a drop down menu will pop up. From there, if you tap on upload photos or videos, from there as well you can upload photos or videos. And with that, if you want to upload folder, you can also tap on upload folder and select the folder from your device, and then upload the folder into the Dropbox on your account. So this is how you can simply upload files and folders on Dropbox. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.